Hey, Dana here, and welcome to Searching For. I'm still dead in the water at the moment till I get those seals. I've got to work the next 2 days, so I'm not going to be able to mess with the trailer. So I could have gone back and got that seal from the place I got the other one, but I'm not really happy with them. So he can keep the seal. What I got here in the mail today is the Ethernet. The Ethernet cable. So now I can run the second generation to the first generation monitors, control heads, head units, whatever you want to say, and I can control what I see from the transducer on those monitors. So I can have 2 monitors, or up to 3 monitors, running through that structure module. I went ahead and got that 3-in-1 module, or 3-in-1 transducer. Unfortunately, tech support and other tech support's telling me I can't use that 3-in-1 with the first and second gen monitors, even 3 gen. You have to have a HSD carbon, or you have to have an Elite TI2 or the HDS Live to work with that transducer. So what I don't understand is why I'm getting air temperature, which would be water temperature, and why it is scrolling. It's gonna do that if it's functioning. So I don't know if it's got something to do with it's only using a certain amount of capabilities out of that transducer. So anyway, okay, right now this is what I have. I've got them both set the way I want them. So all I got to do is I go to menu, and then I got to go back up. Right now I got sonar stopped. So let's go back down. Now the minute I hit enter on that one, it's going to drop it. Sonar is going to kick back in, and this one's going to say we're now back in scanning mode. Right now I got it in structure, so nothing's going to happen when we're moving. But say if I want to go to, no, I want to go to pages. I want to go to pages. I want to go to sonar, and then punch enter. We're going to scroll. Time is correct, 18:20 right now. Now I'm going to go over here. We're going to go back out. We're going to exit. I'm going to go back into pages, and I'm going to go to sonar, and I'm going to go ahead and enter. And as you can see, we're scrolling here. Water temperature between the 2 of them is the same. This one's giving me all this stuff here. Not telling me temperature on this one here. But if I go back in now, I'm running off of the 3-in-1 right now. So I'm going to go back in here real quick, and I'm going to go to standby. I'm going to go and I'm going to go to do the same thing here. I'm going to go to standby. Going to go to menu. No, that's not what I want. Exit. Okay, we're going to go Okay, we're going to go here down to power, and then we're going to punch enter, and we're going to be in standby. Okay, now if I disconnect, go ahead and disconnect that. Now I'm going to come back in, take me back out of standby. Now we're going to be in here. And I'm going to go to, again, enter, and then exit. Okay, now what I have, I'm still scrolling. I'm still scrolling even though that one hooked up, and it's even still got the same temperature. So let's go back to menu. No, pages. And we're going to go to structure. Enter. Pages. Structure. And we still got the same thing going on. And it doesn't matter whether I have that in or not. Alright. Let's go in here. Enter standby. Enter standby. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get the structure mod and hook it up real quick. Okay, I've now hooked up the structure module. Now we're gonna come back out of standby. There. And we're gonna go this, exit. Okay. Now, no change here. Pages, go to structure. So I can go to sonar. Enter. Pages, sonar. Enter. And basically, we got no change between the two. So, not going to know much of anything until we head in there. Let's go to menu. I'm going to go to networks. And that's going to say configuration. Whoops. Address unavailable. Exit. Networks. Air. Data source. We got sonar. Temperature, global water distance, and so those are all correct. I'm gonna get back out of there. Sources, enter this one. Okay, this one here, and I can go down to 7, enter, and enter. Oop, didn't like that. Alright. So between the two, I'm running off of that one. And back in. Network, enter. Wi-Fi. Again, data center. Sources. That's sonar, enter. Okay, exit. Menu. Networks, enter. Data source, enter. Enter. Exit. That's not exactly what I want. I'm looking for. Sure. Okay. That's what I want. Source would be 7. So let's go back to this unit. Enter. Alright. That's unit X. Alright, I got a phone call coming in. I think we're done. Let's go back to pages. Let's go to structure. Enter. And menu. And it's saying it's coming from this unit here. So that's whatever's coming out of it. So as you can see, there was no change between the two monitors. And if I pull this out, I think I'm going to get a signal here saying no source. It's just going to keep scrolling. I don't know. I guess it's just got to come. I got to get in the water and see what happens. So there we are. Let's see, and I do have green lights, 1 and 2, going to it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. If you have anyone or anything that needs to be searched for, leave me a comment. I'll catch you on the next.